If you want to make delicious meals, save money, and impress your friends with your urban survival skills, keep watching. I happened on iron cooking by accident. I found a YouTube video where two brothers, the brothers Green as a matter of fact, were making steak with an iron in a hotel room. And I thought, well, isn't that fun? And so I set it up and decided to surprise my husband on one of our work trips. We have made a series of iron cooking videos, which I will link up above, making 5 different meals. Does that make me an iron chef? So what do you think? Is this crazy or not? Will you try it? Leave a comment below. So why in the world would you want to cook something in a hotel room with an iron? Well, first of all, you can have more control over the nutritional content of your food. If you're on a special diet or have allergies, or just trying to be more careful with your food, cooking your own meals with an iron is a good idea. Next, anytime you can cook your own meals rather than go out to a restaurant, you're going to save some money. Knowing how to use an iron to make a few meals is a great thing to have in your tool belt. I like to collect ways to cook on the road. Having a variety of meals that I can make with a microwave, with cold food, with my Instant Pot, and now with an iron gives me a lot more options and a lot more variety. And finally, having another way to cook a hot meal in a hotel room allows you to stay in. It seems like on every extended trip we have something set in called traveler's fatigue. It sounds like a horrible disease, but it's just that day in the trip when you are simply done. It wouldn't matter if the Taj Mahal was outside your hotel room, you are not going anywhere else, you don't want to take in any more information, you just want to stay in your hotel room and watch television. Being able to cook a good meal with an iron will make that even more fun. Now let me show you the 5 meals that I made today that you can also make with an iron. If you would like more detailed instructions on how to make each of the 5 meals I'm about to show you, just check out the links below to the videos that I did on steak, chicken cutlets, tuna steak, etc. Let's see the meals that we came up with. Now just to be clear, I do not use the iron directly on the food. I travel with a wad of foil. If you'd like to see my travel mess kit, I did a video and I'll link that up there. But I always carry a little bit of foil with me. The meat goes inside of a foil pouch and the iron sits on top of the foil to protect the iron. So let's see, our first plate here has a tuna steak, which was seared. It's a little raw on the side, as tuna steak should be. I have a coconut rice, a salad, and some cherries. So the salads are a bag salad. You can pick up so many bag salads now at the grocery store and have a wide variety of options. Bag salads are really a key to the way that we eat in a hotel. This is a coconut rice, which was a microwavable box mix. Again, go to the grocery store, take a look around and see what kind of side dishes they have. There'll be a variety to fit any dietary need, whether you like your food to all be organic and MSG free, to the opposite end of the spectrum. You can find what you're looking for. The next one is a pork cutlet. Now, of course, you want pork to be cooked through, and that will take a long time with an iron if you have a thicker piece of pork. So you want to look for the pork cutlets at the grocery store. There's a pasta mix. Again, it was a mix from the grocery store that we just microwaved, and the same bag salad. This one is a steak cutlet. I have round, I believe, so it cooks very quickly, a little bit on each side depending on how rare you like your steak. We have a baked potato here, microwavable, with a little butter and salt and pepper, and again, our bag salad. This one is a grilled sandwich. You can do all kinds of grilled sandwiches. This one happens to be our favorite. It's a ham brie apple sandwich with a horseradish spread. We have some potato chips and some raw broccoli and hummus. Grilled sandwiches are really easy to make with the foil iron method. And finally, this one is a turkey cutlet. You can also get chicken cutlets just like this, very thin so that they get cooked through easily. But I found the turkey and that was a nice variety. We have some raw apples and a bag salad. Other things that you can cook with the iron include really thin fish fillets like a tilapia. You can even cook pre-made hamburger patties. So here you have 5 dinners that you can make with an iron and a microwave in a hotel room. If you would like to see me cook these with instructions in detail, I'll link those videos up above and I'll put the links to the companion blog posts in the description below. So what do you think you'll cook with an iron? We'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Happy travels.